Today I am reviewing the Mantis V2 RTX 5090. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Empowered PC Mantis V2 is not just another pre-built gaming desktop. This is a statement machine designed for users who want absolute top-tier performance with zero bottlenecks. Whether you're an enthusiast gamer, a professional content creator, or someone who wants a future-proof workstation that can dominate for years, the Mantis V2 delivers power, stability, and premium craftsmanship in one complete package. At the heart of this system is the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K, a 24-core, 24-thread processor built for elite performance. With a base clock of 3.7 GHz and boost speeds reaching up to 5.7 GHz, this CPU handles everything from competitive gaming to heavy multitasking without breaking a sweat. Streaming while gaming, rendering high-resolution videos, compiling large projects, or running multiple professional applications simultaneously feels effortless. This processor ensures consistently smooth performance even under extreme workloads. Graphics performance is where the Mantis V2 truly shines. Equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 with 32 GB of DDR5 memory, this system is built for uncompromising visuals and ultra-high frame rates. Modern AAA games run effortlessly at ultra settings, delivering buttery smooth gameplay with stunning detail. Ray tracing, DLSS, and advanced AI-driven graphics features elevate visual realism to a level that few systems can match. For creators, the RTX 5090 dramatically accelerates 3D rendering, video editing, AI workloads, and real-time previews, saving valuable time on demanding projects. One of the most impressive aspects of this PC is its massive 256 GB of DDR5 RAM. This amount of memory is far beyond standard gaming needs and opens the door to extreme multitasking. You can run multiple virtual machines, massive datasets, professional editing software, and dozens of browser tabs simultaneously without experiencing slowdowns. This makes the Mantis V2 an excellent choice not only for gaming, but also for advanced professional workflows. Storage is equally impressive. The system features a 4 TB PCIe Gen5 9100 Pro NVMe SSD, delivering lightning-fast boot times, instant application launches, and ultra-quick file transfers. This Gen 5 SSD offers performance that is dramatically faster than traditional SSDs and even previous generation NVMe drives. In addition, the included 10 TB, 7,200 revolutions per minute hard drive provides enormous storage capacity for game libraries, media files, backups, and long-term projects. This dual storage setup gives you both speed and space without compromise. Thermal performance is handled by an advanced liquid cooling system paired with 6 ARGB PWM fans. This setup ensures that the powerful CPU and GPU remain cool even during extended gaming sessions or heavy workloads. The fans dynamically adjust their speed based on system demand, balancing cooling efficiency with quiet operation. This not only improves performance consistency, but also extends the lifespan of internal components. The Mantis V2 case itself is sleek and premium. With a brushed aluminum front panel, front LED accents, and a tempered glass side panel, this PC looks as powerful as it performs. The internal layout is clean and well-organized, allowing optimal airflow and easy visibility of the RGB lighting. It is a system that stands out on any desk setup. Out of the box, the Mantis V2 comes with Windows 11 Pro, offering enhanced security, productivity features, and better support for modern hardware. Importantly, this system is free from unnecessary bloatware, so you get a clean, optimized experience from the moment you power it on. Connectivity is also well covered, with Wi-Fi 6E, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, and modern expansion options to support high-resolution monitors and accessories. Empowered PC adds extra value by including a rainbow backlit RGB keyboard and LED mouse, making this a complete ready-to-use setup right out of the box. While experienced users may upgrade peripherals later, these included accessories are a great bonus for immediate use. What truly sets this system apart is peace of mind. The Mantis V2 is assembled in the USA, rigorously stress-tested before shipping, and backed by lifetime technical support along with a 3-year limited hardware warranty. This level of support is a major advantage for anyone investing in a high-end pre-built system. In real-world use, the Empowered PC Mantis V2 delivers exceptional performance across gaming, streaming, VR, and professional content creation. Games run smoothly at ultra settings with consistently high frame rates. Creative workloads are completed faster, and multitasking feels completely unrestricted. In conclusion, the Empowered PC Mantis V2 is a no-compromise desktop built for users who demand the best. With cutting-edge components, premium cooling, massive memory and storage, and professional-grade support, this system stands as one of the most powerful pre-built gaming PCs available today. If you want a machine that is ready for today's most demanding tasks and prepared for the future, the Mantis V2 is an outstanding choice.